To understand processes that lead to toxic shock syndrome, we first need to go through some characteristics of the bacteria that cause it. An important quality of these invaders is that they're capable of producing a specific protein called an exotoxin. This is a chemical secreted by bacteria cells while the cell is still alive as part of the bacteria's metabolism. Because the bacteria continues to secrete these dangerous proteins while it's alive, you must kill all the bacteria with antibiotics in order to stop the release of the exotoxin, and then treat the damage that the toxin has caused to the body. In the case of TSS, the exotoxin released by bacteria is called a superantigen. Superantigens are a class of exotoxin that trigger your body's natural defense mechanism, the immune system. The immune system is your way of protecting yourself from pathogens like bacteria, viruses, fungi, or other invaders that could make you sick. Superantigens trigger a chain of events that cause a massive inflammatory response to fight it off. These superantigens sort of act like a huge red flag to your innate immune system, which is the first responder team in your body. They recognize the superantigen as part of a pathogen, which initiates a cascade of changes your body naturally does to protect you from those harmful invaders. However, superantigens are special because they get to surpass some of the normal steps, hence their name, superantigens. Unlike normal antigens, which need to be broken down into smaller bits before being recognized, the superantigens can bind directly to something called the MHC class II molecule. MHC class II is like a little docking station that you have on your immune cells. These molecules are found specifically on dendritic cells and macrophages, which are your antigen-presenting cells in your immune system. These are part of that first responder team that identify threats and call in the reinforcements from your adaptive immune system. Just as the name implies, antigen-presenting cells bind to the antigen, or superantigen, and then present it to the adaptive immune cells, which are responsible for helping eliminate the invader as a second round of defense. Since superantigens surpass the initial processing step, they trigger a response very quickly. Check out the next video to see exactly what these toxins do to turn your immune system against you.